Good day all. So I'm still here with my Toshiba computer with the consumer preview of Windows 8. So I'm just going to load back in. And she's starting up. So I guess my criticism here is something that when I was originally testing it I didn't think would bother me too much. But as I've gotten around playing with it, and a lot of other people, and especially tech writers, have kind of had the same complaints about this, where it's kind of an operating system with an identity crisis. Now, it seems to be that every second operating system Windows comes out with, there are some issues. You had 2000, which was great. You had ME, which was crap. XP, which, well, was great, dominated the market for 6+ years. Then Windows Vista, I don't think we really need to say anything about that. Then Windows 7, which was by far the best Windows operating system. And now Windows 8. But the problem with Windows 8 is it's not that it's glitchy. It actually runs fairly well for something that's still hasn't been released to manufacturers yet, so it's not an RTM version. It's still just kind of in the test phase, although Microsoft has already said they're not going to be doing really anything more other than fixing some minor bugs. It's the combination of Metro and Arrow. I think this operating system, or Windows 7, it should be either one or the other. It is optimized for a touch PC, sort of, but I can see someone who's playing around with this for the first time. You know, you're playing around with your little icons and stuff here and whatever, and then you want to go into Windows Manager. You ask yourself, what the hell happened there? It's kind of switches operating system, goes back to Arrow. And here you're left with a different interface. And then you want to go back to the Start menu or the Start screen, then it's Metro. From my point of view, I think the easiest way of solving this is maybe to give the user a choice. You can run it in either, I guess, Metro theme or whatever, or Arrow theme, but this jumping back and forth just, I don't know, it just looks really rough to me and is kind of irritating. Also, my biggest complaint I have about this, and maybe this is just me being unwilling to change, but I really, really, really miss the Start menu, and I think if Microsoft was going to integrate Arrow into this, then they should have at least included the Start menu, but that is now long gone, unfortunately. So we're kind of left with this dual thing. But in terms of I don't know, the operating system itself, like, it runs fairly well, except I need to log in to use anything. Well, these app previews, Windows Media Center version whatever. Yeah, it doesn't want to start, but anyways. Oh, there we go. So I accept. And of course we can't sign in because I don't have a Microsoft account. Yeah, but anyways, and one thing I'd like to show is the video playing on this with this old computer, but I don't want to get myself into any sort of trouble with the video just because of the computer itself, because it's old, is sketchy as hell. But anyways. And yeah, here we are just in my photos, see my albums. No, I don't want to sign in with the Microsoft account. Okay, we'll do it the hard way then. So I'll bring up the photo this way, going back to there. Now it'll bring up my picture. Anyways, so bottom line, it should be one or the other, and I don't know. Myself, this is not an operating system that I'm going to be upgrading either of my main computers to. When I get a new computer, it will obviously come with it pre-installed, but it's not something that I'm actively going to seek out myself to upgrade, which will be the first Windows in a long time that I haven't upgraded to right away, but oh well. It's, like I said, it's not glitchy. It's not as bad as Vista or ME. It's more of a design flaw that I find in this one, which it'll be interesting to see what happens when this is released and what people think of it. But that's just my 2 cents. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching and have a wonderful day.